Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, July the 13th, and August the 13th. Sorry. And today we are with somebody who has done the predictions of the last three presidents of the United States since 1991. And we would like to ask somebody who hails from Haridwar in India. Haridwar is a very pious Rishikesh, Haridwar. In the Hindu mythology, those places have a lot of significance. And we have with us the co-publisher of Fosak TV, Sneh Lata Misra, and Mr. Mahesh Goel.
Hello,
Mahesh Goel,
namaste.
this is the gems and Rudraksh. Rudraksh is a word of which you get in the Himalayas, a very ceremonial thing you get.
Beads.
And
It's heel.
let him explain what Rudraksh means and what is the significance of destiny and things that happen in the spiritual world of which is India. Hi Mahesh, how are you?
Hello.
Good.
Good.
Can you explain to Fosak.tv what you have been doing all these years in America for the last 32 years?
I've been doing gemology
Little louder,
and
sir.
astrology, both. And I have been doing astrology since 1984 from Haridwar, learned from my guru, and I did predict for Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. I did predict for a lot of politicians in India and also is here too. And last time I did predict for Mr. Donald Trump in 2016. He's going to be elected. He's going to be President of United States. And same thing I'm doing again. I'm saying that he's going to be again the President of United States. He have very good planet. Also, I'm opposing for Vice President, which is chosen by Mr. Biden, Kamala Harris. I have something about that, which is first of all, she doesn't want to claim herself as an Indian. She considered as a black woman. Also, she is proud to be like black instant Indian, and she have never done anything for our Indian community. She is always opposing for 370. She always opposes for CEA law for India. Also, she is like favoring for black people for the take out the law enforcement, police department, all these things. So I am not, and I will request to all Indian, because she saying now she's Indian and she wants support from Indian community. I am opposing and I am requesting to all our Indian community, please don't vote for her, because she have not done anything for our community, and she is also not feel as a proud as an Indian woman. That's it. Thank you.
Sneh, do you have any question for Mahesh Goel?
Yes, I was going to ask him about the prediction for the president, which you already mentioned it. But you mentioned about the Rudraksh. Will you go to your spiritual world? And a lot of people don't know what Rudraksh is. Will you please explain that?
Sure.
And where it comes from? And the
Okay, that's
significance
come
of it?
from Himalaya. Is actually start from Haridwar, from the Lord Shiva in-laws place. There was the king. His father was a king. Father-in-law, sorry, was a king, and his daughter was married to Lord Shiva, and she jumped in the fire because she was not invited for the ceremony from her father. So when Lord Shiva felt when she killed herself in the flame, in the fire, so he come to discover her body. So he start crying. So first thing when his tears comes out, the teardrops, they fall on the floor. That's the comes is a tree of Rudraksha. Rudra means Lord Shiva, Aksha means his tears. So that's very powerful beads. It grows in Himalaya mountain in Nepal mostly now, and it has a lot of medicine properties, like for blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, skin disorder. But the top of that, when you wearing, is very good for peace of mind. So it's been proven by science its effect in medicine also, medical properties, because it has. So it is very good for peace of mind also.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.